War Day number 385. 385 days ago, the war started in Ukraine. Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, March the 15th, 2023. We have here three regular puzzles. The first one I've already solved, the binary puzzle. We have a killer Sudoku, and it's time for the medium Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Seven extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening. But first, let me start with the medium Sudoku number 6118. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've already counted 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for medium Sudoku, 26, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Well, we have here two missing numbers in this middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, let me mark those. 2 and the 5. Alright. Then, let me see. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. Wait. 2 in one of those two boxes in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. Now, now, let me see. Yeah. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next down, the place left for 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. That means 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there in this column. Here or there. We see a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. Then, well, we have a 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4 miss. Oh wait, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Okay. 293, 293. How about? Right. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, 6, 7, 6. 2 and 3. Well, come on. 4, 4. How about the number? This is the 8. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, okay. And now. 3. Well, need to wait. 8, 7. I'm thinking. 5. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair, 2 and the 5 and the 2, 5. That means those 2 missing numbers must be another pair. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, oh no. We have a 4 here. Again, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the column next, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row. First row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, okay. 7 also. We have a pair. The 2 and the 7 in this row. The 2 and the 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places left for the 2 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in the first column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those boxes. 359. Okay. How about the number 44888 3 3 need a 3 here. Okay, let me continue 1139 and 5 need a 5 yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in one of those two boxes in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 and a 9, 3 9 and 1. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this first row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here or there in the first row. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the second column. Sorry. 1 in this row, so no 1 there. We have a 1 in the row below, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. That means here should be the 3 and a 9. 5 should be there, okay. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 9. Okay. And now 3 and 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 9 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3 and a 9. Now we have a 9 here in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3. Oh, we have a 3 here in this second row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 here in the second row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay. And now, well, 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So 2 numbers left here, the 5 and the 9 then. Alright. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Yeah, 3 in this column. First column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay. 2, 5, and the 8. Need an 8 here. 2, 5, and 4. Need a 4 there. Interesting. 4, 4. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first column. 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now. In this row, 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5 are missing. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Then how about yeah, two missing numbers. Wait, 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. One box left in the first column for the 1, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. Two missing number. Oh wait, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Two missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2. No, we have a 2 here. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes and there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the must. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 and the 7. We have a 2 now in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 7 goes there. And a 5. No 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes, and there. Finish in 16 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. Definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.